Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to another card making tutorial. Today I will be creating two cards, one with a window and the other one with heart, clock and flowers. And for my card I'm going to use Sense and Sensibility paper collection from Lemoncraft, which is absolutely adorable. It's got beautiful colors and very delicate designs, and I'm going to create my cards in beige and blue colors. Before I will start assembling the card, I'm going to prepare a few things, and one of it is that window, which I'm going to die cut out of the cardboard. It's a paper discovery die. It's got few options for creating your windows, and these are just super cute. So I'm cutting it out, and then I'm going to ink the edges with a darker ink, and also I'm going to keep those elements which I could poke out of the die cut, because I thought that later maybe I could use it as bricks on my cards, because this got a very good size. So I'm going to ink my elements now. So window, and I've got a doily, which is also paper discovery die, and I've got lots of leaves which are die cut from Lady E Design dies. And I'm going to ink the edges of the leaves just to give them more dimension and really natural, lovely look. So then I am going to stick my first layers on with a glue. So I've got two blue backgrounds, and then I'm going to attach the second layers with double-sided foam tape. So I cover both layers with that, and I'm sticking it to the cards. It gives you nice dimension between the layers. So for on the one card, I'm going to my main element will be the window, and on the other one will be the doily with a heart. So to do that window more interesting, I'm going to attach a piece of lace on the top of it, and then piece of beautiful paper on the bottom. The paper it's with the blue flowers, and it matches really well that card. So I'm sticking on the lace with the hot glue, then on the other side adding that paper, and for all the elements I'm using double-sided foam pads, because I like those the cards to be dimensional, those elements to I never stick them like flat on top of each other. I usually use the foam pads. And then I will be assembling my composition, which both will be with flowers and lots of leaves. So I think I will leave you for a few minutes to watch what I did, and then I will talk to you at the end of the video. cards are almost ready. I'm going to add white gesso with a sponge on top of my flower arrangements, on the window, on the heart as well, just to give it a shabby chic look. Then off the camera I have attached 2 little sentiments, and I'm going to finish my cards with silver glitter flakes. I just love glitter. So, it's not necessary, but if you do like it, just add a bit of glitter as well. And I want to thank you very, very much for watching. Please let me know if the video wasn't too fast for you, because I did speed it a bit more than I usually do, but I didn't want the video to be too long. So if you could comment on that, that would be great. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you will be back for more videos. So I wish you all the best. Have a lovely creative day, and see you soon. Bye bye.